Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I'm Muhammad and this is MPM Academy, and inshallah in this video we will continue talking about our meme sakina rules. It's a part of our Tajweed rules, and check out the previous videos and you will find it useful inshallah. We did noon sakina and tanween rules, and today it's the last one of meme sakina rules. If you find it useful, please like, subscribe and share as it helps us a lot. And let's get started. The third rule of meme sakina is Izhar shafawi. Izhar shafawi. And first of all, you have to know the meaning of Izhar as we used to do. Izhar is clear, and you know it if you know noon sakina and tanween rules. We did also Izhar, and the word Izhar means clear, to make meme clear. Okay? And shafawi is related to the lip as we did in the ikhfa. And now, what are our Izhar letters? In meme sakina rules, we have only two special letters. They are ba for ikhfa and meme for idgham mutamathilin saghir, and the rest of the letters are all for Izhar. This means what? This means if we have a meme sakina, meme with no sign or sukoon sign, and the next letter is any letter other than ba or meme, here we will apply Izhar. Izhar is by pronouncing meme very clearly. And how to make it clear? We said before that we make meme clear by making a complete contact between our two lips. We hide it by making a space, and here it should be clear by making them in complete contact with no ghunna. It's a normal letter now. And here we have some examples to make it easy for you. Let's see it. Here we have salatihim, and the next one is sahun. Now it's meme sakina and the next letter is sin. It's not ba or meme. We will apply Izhar. Meme should be clear here. We say salatihim sahun. Him, complete contact, and now meme is clear. Hum, complete contact, and an also, it's clear, no gunna, no time. Hum yura'un. Hum yura'un. Hum, meme is clear, and that's what we are talking about. The last one is alam yaj'al. Alam, meme is a clear meme with complete contact in between of your two lips. That's it for now. It's an easy rule, and if you find it useful, share this video, and may Allah reward all of us inshallah. See you in the next video.